Differences between conference, workshop and seminar. Conference versus workshop versus seminar. A conference is a large formal gathering, whereas the emphasis of a workshop is on hands-on practice or laboratory work. Whereas a seminar is an instructional event. Goals of conferences are typically held to seek advice or a solution to a problem, whereas goals of workshops are organized to learn a new practical skill, whereas goals of seminars are conducted to educate, discuss, and guide participants related to a particular concept. Tone and communication of conferences are highly formal, whereas tone and communication of workshop ranges from casual to semi-formal, whereas tone and communication of seminars ranges from semi-formal to formal. Role of speaker in conferences typically consists of keynote speakers addressing the session, whereas role of speaker in a workshop includes of a teacher-like figure who encourages group interaction, working, thinking, processing, doing, and developing, whereas role of speaker in a seminar is always led by a seminar leader or an instructor who guides the discussion. Benefits of conferences enables individuals to be able to solve an issue or find new ideas over a certain topic, whereas benefits of workshop assists in learning a new skill related to a specific subject matter, whereas benefits of seminar helps in gaining awareness or increasing knowledge of a particular concept. Type of activity in a conference revolves around presentation and exchange of views, whereas type of activity in a workshop is based on practical activities, whereas type of activity in a seminar involves presentations and semi-formal discussions. Participation of audience in conferences are huge size of the crowd, whereas participation of audience in workshop limited people depending on the skill taught, whereas participation of audience in seminars are active participation of people. Duration of conferences are typically extensive, spanning many days or even weeks. Whereas duration of workshops often last only a day or two and focus on a single topic. Whereas duration of seminars are held for a short period, typically between 2 and 3 hours. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.